Hey, crypto family. Hope y'all been doing good. So today we're going to go over some Bitcoin analysis for November 19th, 2019. So Bitcoin is still in a downtrend, but I'm starting to get a little bullish because of some short-term indicators that I'm going to show y'all. But first, let's go over and look at the longer time frames, and then we'll work our way down. So the daily chart is still looking the same. Basically, we have a sell signal on the whales buy sell indicator. Still hasn't flashed to buy yet, but the light blue wave is starting to level out, and the Wolfpack ID is starting to slightly curve up, indicating a possible momentum change. Now, looking at the daily chart for moving averages, we can actually see here that for the 50-day moving average, it is providing resistance. So right now we need to pass above that 85.64 level to have a shift in momentum change. Now, if we don't, then I mentioned if we can't hold this $8,000 level here, then we are going to descend down to that 7,700. So we're in a very, very precarious position right now, hanging on a thread to this $8,000 level. And then again, looking at the 21-day moving average in red, that's starting to curve down. So if that crosses below the 50-day, again, that's more downside momentum. So right now the RSI is about 31, so very oversold. That's some positive action for the bulls. If we can have a reversal, still a lot of room to run there. But let's go into the lower time frame to see exactly what is going on and if a reversal is imminent. So one of the things getting me excited right now is on this 4-hour chart. So this whales buy sell indicator actually flashed a buy signal. So as you can see, the last times it's flashed a buy signal has been pretty accurate. It went from 84.67 to a high of 86.37. This time it didn't really move one way or the other, but this previous time it actually moved from 8,800 to a high of 91.50. So again, about $200 to $300 moves with this. So possible trying to get above that 8,400 to 8,500 level from here. Looking down here at the Wolfpack, the market Cipher B, we can see we did get a green dot as well, and this light blue wave has actually curved up and it has crossed through the dark blue wave. So again, more positive bullish momentum. This Wolfpack ID indicator is still curving upwards, close to touching that zero mark. To cross above it will be very, very, very bullish. So again, let's actually go down to the lower time frame now, the 2-hour. You can see the 2-hour actually flashed a buy signal as well, which is great to see. You can see here again, the times it's flashed a buy signal, it has went up a couple $100. So you can see both times it has been pretty accurate. So it's definitely something I'm looking forward to. Again, we do have a green dot on the 2-hour that actually flashed about 12 hours ago. And then the Wolfpack ID just crossed above the zero line into the green territory. So again, very, very bullish indicators right now. As you can see, we are going up. So possibly a reversal right here. But again, let's keep digging down to see what's going on in the lower time frames. So the 1-hour here, we can see on these moving averages, the blue line is 7-day, orange is the 77-day, and then the purple is 231-day. So on the 1-hour, we can see that 7-day is starting to curve up, but it's still far away from that 77-day. So let's go down to the 30-minute. 30-minute, we can see it's getting a little closer. 15-minute, it's actually crossed over the 77-day. So you can see it's crossed over it and is still maintaining above that 77-day, indicating possible continued bullish momentum. Now, going to the 5-minute, actually I want to show you something here, is it crossed above it about 3 hours ago, and it went to cross below the 77-day, but pretty much bounced off of it, and which is very bullish, and is still consisting to stay above that. So again, some good indications on the 1-hour. Looking at the 1-hour here, it did flash a buy signal actually almost 12 hours ago, and since then it has been trending upward. So the 1-hour isn't as accurate with its buy signals. You can see here it pretty much leveled out the last buy signal. This one, it didn't do too much, and then this one right here, again, not much up or down. So not putting too much weight on this buy signal, but again, just something to keep in mind here for future movements. Now, something else I want to point out on the 1-hour though is I'm actually looking towards is this bullish divergence here on market Cipher B. So you can see here that we have these two anchor waves and we have this downward momentum on the 1-hour. So that's what a bullish divergence is. So we have a downtrend here, but on market Cipher B, these waves are in an uptrend if you connect them. So also we have two green dots, which are also seen as snake eyes. So you can see here, let's go ahead and scroll back to the last time we had two green dots close to each other. So this time here on November 7th and November 8th, we had two green dots on market Cipher B. And then look what happened a little bit later. So about, call it, I want to say about 16 hours later, that is when we had this huge move up from 8,800 to 91.50. And then scrolling back a little bit further, let's go ahead and look at some more green dots. So here we actually had 3 green dots, but this was actually about, again, 16 hours prior to the move when we had that bullish run from 7,400 all the way to 10,000 and call it 10,500. So, you know, 2 green dots, call them snake eyes. They're very good, especially with bullish divergence. So there are a lot of positive indicators. You can see we're still trending upward right now. So good to see. So again, a lot of bullish indicators short term. You know, if you want to hedge your bets, it's looking a little more favored to the bulls right now. But again, keep an eye on the 8,000 level. Now, looking at the technical indicators of Tradingview, the daily is showing a neutral for oscillators, sell for the summary, and then strong sell for moving averages. 4 hour is sell, sell, strong sell. 1 hour is all neutral, indicating a lot of buy and sell pressure on the hourly. 15-minute is actually buy, buy, and strong buy. 5-minute is a buy, strong buy, strong buy, and then 1 minute is the same. So you can see yesterday, most of the indicators were a sell with a few being neutral. Now it's about half and half with sell indicators and buy indicators, more so favoring the bullish action on the smaller time frames. So definitely something to keep in mind here. Again, you know, I want to stress, make sure to use stop losses. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. And again, watch these important levels here. We got to watch this 8,000 level as bounced off here a couple times. And if we do break that, I can see us going to that 7,700 support. So again, you know, possibly looking again, trying to break this 8,400, 8,500 level. That was a lot of manipulation going on when we were at that level. So if you like this video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.